You wanted to create an AI agent for your own business that can do the task for you. But the most difficult part for any AI automation is the prompt itself, because that is the base of the whole AI agent. After working on hundreds of AI automations and building hundreds of AI agents, I figured out this particular AI agent that can actually help you to write a complete prompt for a different AI agent. So you don't have to waste your time or spend your time thinking what is the best AI prompt for your different agents. So I will show you how you can build this, and we'll also go through a live demo of how to use this particular AI agent. So let's dive in this video and see how it works. So first of all, how it actually build off. Here I use a chat model, right? I use a chat as a starting point, but you can connect this with your Telegram or with a Slack, with your WhatsApp, whatever tool you wanted to connect, whatever suitable best for you to use, right? I'm using a chat over here, so that will be easy for you to give an idea. After that, we connect an AI agent over here. We put our prompt. Okay, that is the most important thing of this whole BI agent. Here we connected multiple tools like the AI model that would help it to think. Then is latest the think node from the n8n that can make any AI agent 10 times smarter than it can actually be. Right. So we will use this, and then we have the SERP API. So it depends when you are asking some kind of a special prompt or something, and it need to think of, then it can go on the Google and do the search, and then can create the search for you and write the best response to you. And then it have a memory, so it reminds what you talked so far. So let's see. Let me show you what we discussed already so far, so I can give you an idea. So here, if you see on my screen, I asked it to. So I said hi, then it tell me like I'm your prompt builder and AI agent and help you to create clear and effective prompts. Okay, and I asked it to give like I need help to build an AI agent that can control over my meetings, like read my calendar, tell me or update me about the latest meetings, book my meetings with someone I ask for, tell me about my meetings or what is in my calendar. So I want to use the same prompt. Well, I can also create a different one, but let's try with this same one. Okay, the same question. So what I will do first of all, so I it don't remember all the old thing. I'll simply say this, okay, and then refresh it. So it clear out the current memory, and then it will think from the start. So we don't have the old things, and I can show you complete from scratch. Now, if I go and open the chat, now you see it don't have any memory. So I will ask it, say, hey, okay, it started responding me, and you can see over here all the response. So hello, I am your AI assistant. This is the response from the agent, and here to help you create detailed, high quality prompts. What would you like to do? What agent AI agent you like to create? So I will ask it. Uh, so here I ask it. I am building an AI agent that can control over my meetings, like read my calendar, tell me update about the latest meeting, book my meeting with someone I asked for, and all those things prioritize and different things. Basically, if you are a business owner, is you wanted someone do this kind of task for you, maybe your personal assistant. So let make an AI agent that can be your personal assistant. Isn't it cool? So I will click on enter and let's see the response. So now you see it started thinking. It started running the AI agent. It think as well. So I will show you what it think, because that is actually a very smart model, uh, smart node that n8n introduce that make your AI agent 10 times smart. Okay, so let me show you what it think. First, let me make it big. So you see, it's the input and the output is the user wants an AI agent to manage meetings, reading, updating their calendar, provide summaries, booking meetings, and prioritize their day. So I need to clarify what calendar services they use, like Google Calendar, Outlook, etc., how they want to be notified, and what prioritize my day means in their workflow. I should also find out specific rules for booking, for privacy and notification preference. So if you ask those questions directly to the, if you ask something directly to normal AI agent, they don't think that much. So they just give you the answer either right or wrong, or they will just create anything, right? But think node actually help you to think better, think smart, and do the more reasoning part for you. So you get a much better output. So here, now it is asking me something, it's telling me, great idea. To set this up, could you tell me which calendar service you use for your meetings? For example, Google Calendar, Outlook, Apple Calendar, or any other service. So this helps me understand what tools your AI agent should prefer. So I will use Google Calendar only. Okay, so I entered this. Let's see the response. And you can also see it running over here. So it run the OpenAI chat model to think, and then the think model, then again the chat model, and storing everything in the memory. Now let's see the response. So thank you for the info. Let's dive deeper into how you want your AI agent to work with Google Calendar. So now could you share? So it asking me certain questions, right? Because if you wanted to build a good prompt for your AI agent, it's not that easy, right? You need a right set of prompts, right set of instructions for that. And that's why this particular prompt, this particular agent will help you with that. So let's see, and we will see how it works. So what exactly should the AI do in Google Calendar? For example, should it be built to create new events, edit existing ones, delete or view? Let's respond here. Uh, my AI agent will have a full control over my calendar. It can read, write, delete, update, all sort of stuff. Okay, then what is the next question? For prioritizing your day, what rules should I follow? For example, should it block focus time, schedule important meetings first, or avoid double booking? Never do the double booking. If there are some overlapping meeting, I want it to act smart, reschedule that meeting for different time, but first ask me and also tell me what time in my calendar is available for that reschedule. Okay, and then what else it can do? Never and never book any meetings on my focus time, and I take official meetings only between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So now it knows like what kind of how is my schedule, how I take the meetings, what things I don't like, what it should avoid. So now I am making trying to make the AI agent smart, right? AI agent act as a my personal assistant who knows all the things about me, right? On how I act for the meetings, right? So now it get all the idea that it asks me, I give it all the data. So it should block focus time, schedule important meeting first, and also prioritize my calendar. Okay. So smartly. Now I gave this as an input. Okay. And you can see on the right hand side what is going on. So it put in the memory, then AI agent, then the thing, the chat model thing, then the think node, think or more smart than whatever responses I got, whatever response I gave is good or not, what need to think more, more for this to generate the better result. So if you go in the think node over here, you can see. So the user wants a highly autonomous AI agent that can perform all CRUD, so create, read, update, delete operations on Google Calendar and blah blah blah. So output is the user wants this, okay, and the agent also needs smart logic for double booking prevention and reschedule, proposing alternative time and blah blah blah. The AI the agent should also prioritize the user calendar smartly. So I need to think about what additional specifics are needed. Example, how focus time defined, how priorities are set, what kind of communication should occur during reschedule, and what smart prioritization means to the user. So you see how smartly it is thinking of all those questions that a normal person sometimes can miss. So now it asks me like, uh, where is my arrow? Come on. Yeah, here. So it asked me like what additional specifics are made, like how focus time are defined. So I told it focus time, but if you hire a new person, they don't know the focus time. So that person should ask you like, what is your focus time mean? Right? So it is acting smart and asking you what you mean by focus time. Then it asking you what are your priorities. So for normal AI agents, they can define anything by themselves. But this is acting smart and thinking what are your priorities actually looks like. Then what kind of communication you need when doing the over rescheduling, and what smart prioritization means to the user. So all kind of such questions. So let's see the output. So just a few more details to make sure your AI agent works exactly as you want. How do you define focus time? Is it set a time every day, specific calendar events, or should the AI block this time based on your workload? So my focus time happens every day at 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. of my time. And also the AI block this time. Yes, I want AI agent to block this time. So no one can book anything at this time. Okay. Then let's see what else it asks me. So for prioritizing your calendar smartly, what should be the AI consider most important? For example, meetings with your manager, project deadlines, client appointments, or workshops you mark as high priority. Uh, my company meetings should be first, and then the meeting with potential clients. Okay, and all kind of other tasks can be scheduled for later. Okay, so I give it that. So every kind of task or meetings that is related to my company, that should be the priority. So my business going is smooth. Then the potential clients meetings, because that is an important to keep the business growing and get the money flow, right? And then all kind of remaining stuff can be later. Okay, then it asking me, when resolving overlapping meetings, how do you want the AI to communicate with you? Should it send a summary of conflicts with suggested times for rescheduling? So let's see. Uh, so I will say for uh, overlapping meetings, look for the time in my calendar which is available, and I can reschedule that meeting and send and are tell me if that there is an overlapping meeting, and what times AI agent can reschedule, and then if I say yes, just do it. Okay, so it had to look in my calendar what time the meeting can be rescheduled, and then it had to ask me just to double check, do I want it to be done that meeting at that particular time? And then if it's yes, then just go and book the meeting for me. So this should be the task for the AI agent. Okay, so or so it auto reschedule based on your preferences. So yes, this is all good. Let's enter this and see the result. So you see it is thinking. It already think like it is pretty fast actually, and we already got the response. So here's what I have so far for your agent: full access. Okay, never double book meetings. It overlapping, finds available times. Got it? Cool. Then let's see. Block focus time 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily. Only book official important meetings. Okay. Then prioritize company meetings first, then potential client meeting and another meeting. Is smart to prioritize and adjust your day schedule according to these rules. Nice. So before I build your prompt, final prompt, could you tell me how would you like to be notified about updates or prompted? For example, via email, chat message, or within a specific app. So let's say I want everything to uh, I want the communication uh, through email. And why I'm choosing the email over here? Because n8n have a facility to build a person in a loop email node. So there, until you don't respond to the AI, right? AI will wait for you. So what our normal AI agents do, they just if you don't respond, all gone, right? So here the AI agent will wait for you to respond, and then once you respond, it will do the task. Okay. So here I want the communication through email. All right. Let's see what else is asked. How often should the AI agent update you instantly for every change with a daily summary or both? Uh, I need daily summary at morning and evening, but the AI agent can email me anytime when needed. Okay, so when there is something needed by the AI agent for the rescheduling or double checking, it can just message me, email me. So, do you have any preference for tone personality? For example, friendly, concise, formal, proactive? I want it to add professional, but sometimes friendly also. Okay, friendly spelling is wrong. So friendly, yeah. So not always. Professional sometimes friendly as well. What I like, and it is all. So let's enter and see. So far we are going all good, and AI agents is actually thinking to create a pretty good in-depth and real prompt for us that works smart. So just think about it. If you have to write those prompts by yourself, do you able to think all those things for yourself? It's not right. So here AI agent is actually thinking using this smart way to create the best prompt for you. So here a couple of final questions to ensure a AI agent work perfectly. How should the agent recognize company meetings, potential client meetings, and other tasks in your calendar? For example, does your company use specific keywords, titles, or labels to identify these? Or should the agent determine description or invoice? Would you like your daily summary emails in a particular format, such as simple list, a table, or a group by priority? So, would you like your daily summaries emails in a particular format, such as simple list, table, group by priority, with difference? Uh, so to recognize my official meetings, they have a label called office. Okay, and my client meetings contain contains the word strategy call in the summary or description, and apart from that, you can understand about the meetings through their description. Okay. And then would you like this? So yes, I like uh, a list with priority and category. You can also do in a table format, whatever works best. So I wanted you to decide whatever is best. So I just responded two questions, answer, and now it is thinking. And I like the best thing is like it think pretty smart and pretty fast as well. So now if I see the output over here, the think model, so it is actually building an AI agent prompt for me.
Prompt. Okay. So absolutely here is your AI assistant. You are a smart AI assistant that handles my Google Calendar and all meeting related tasks for me. And now your role and guideline, you have full access to. Now it is the best one, right? So now it is have the full control and the full best one. So you have your core capabilities, what you do, never double book, official meeting hours, prioritize my meetings, okay, summarize and communicate, always act professionally, how you understand my meetings, recognize office meetings by the label office, identify client meeting by the word strategy call, if appear on the summary or description, use meeting description to further infer context for the other events and priorities. Your goal is to make my day smoother by managing my schedule smartly. Okay, and yeah, so this is good. Just do this, build this kind of build this agent, and then you get the whole prompt just by responding few answers for the AI agent, this AI agent, and then you will have your whole prompt list for different AI agent study. Now, if you wanted a step-by-step process on how to build this particular AI agent, you can get this from my school community, school membership, where I teach about. Uh, so basically, where I teach about how to build AI automations for your business, how to build AI agents, what AI tools you can use in your business to save your time, make more money, get more clients, right? So how basically how and business can get the benefit from AI tools out there. So I talk about that. Well, if you want the complete prompt that I used for this, okay, the full in-depth prompt I use for this, you can just simply join my school membership and you can copy and paste this whole prompt and copy and paste this uh, whole agent, AI agent, and copy the template. So, yep. If you have any doubts, questions, comment in the ask me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel because I will keep uploading this kind of videos. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.